because keep my part. I got that. January, I went on a trip. I left on the 26th. February, I went on a trip. I left on the 26th. And it's March, and I'm going on a trip, and it's the 26th. What's up, y'all? We're going on a trip in a little rocket ship. I've had Starbucks.
You keep on making believe life has turned into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, put on my feet. Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. Looking through it over and over. You keep calling me back.
Oh God, 20 hours later, we finally made it to Punta Cana, and it's raining hard. Can you hear it? Shh. But anyways, I'm gonna make us a drink. Our flight just got delayed. I think I mentioned that earlier, and it just took forever to get here and go through everything. We're waiting for our bags right now. We're here for a wedding also, and the welcome party started at 7 to 8:30. That's that. I didn't even introduce myself. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Duncan. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. If you're a returning ninja, what's up? When our bags get here, we're gonna get changed and go right down to the party because we finna turn up. Even in the rain. That's what I'm about. We got that gas. Ouch. Oh. So amazing. Also me so amazing. Sex with me so amazing. What you take a shot of? No, I put y'all in there.
You rude, bro.
My camera fogging up. It's foggy.
Yeah, I know. I'm very hot.
Who needed it?
What's that?
What is it, bro?
Mama Wana. Mama Wana.
No, don't tell me it's a shot.
I like Mama Wana.
Bro,
I just don't want to have a baby.
We've had like 6 pictures of all your like wedding shenanigans. Yes. On the beach. You guys are on the beach, right?
Where
So, where are you guys from?
you can put a workman conference. Why you want to act like you guys possess needs in the business? I'm trying to make you walk fucking 50 less steps.
Hey, yo, what the hell? I told me and Rari said it was a cat.
I never heard a cat sound.
No. Sweat. Look at the sweat dripping off my forehead. Because what is happening?
This is tequila.
It's hot. It's hot. It's fogging up because it's so hot. Look.
It's fogging up.
Yes, my phone.
Ew. Oh,
They're looking at me like you love me. Never kill them. This is so awesome. What you say, I got a big
Taking shots and drinks out of TikTok. How do you turn the lights off in a hotel room?
What the fuck?
But what about this light?
That's yours. You could use one of them things to turn it off.
Oh, do you want it pitch black? Oh shit. Okay, that's pitch black. It takes like 30 minutes to turn off the lights.
Don't worry. It's going to take me 2 seconds to go to bed.
what?
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg singing now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you got me with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we bout to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating in my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump.
Look at them over there playing volleyball. Can y'all see? They're playing beach volleyball. 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 Ooh, this workout is kicking my ass. I thought it was gonna be a little cute 1-2, 1-2. Jesus. On a day like this.
Maybe that's the reason you gave me the wrong number. Oh, woman, you think I'm gonna be chasing the chicken head? You don't talk. Got this stomach in a time. So God in a something. West Jessica.
Yes. Can I have the Day of the Dead, but can I have it with tequila? Yeah, the sun is behind us. Mama Juana, sure.
That's different from one, I think.
Thank you. You made it? Period. Cheers. Yeah, it's a camera. Say hi.
Juana, Dominican Power! Come on!
Turn up. Period.
Yeah, thank you, man. No.
Let go! Yeah, that's how you do it, bro. You was along for the ride, though. Swing me!
Y'all are funny as shit. Babe, why you standing like that? You need your back. Phone been hating on me. My phone been acting so fucking crazy. It just cut off on me, but I am getting ready to go to dinner with the girls since the guys are at rehearsal dinner because they're in the wedding and we have planned to go out as girls or whatever. So I'm getting ready for that, even though I'm super late because my phone was acting crazy and it was making me frustrated. So I just said fuck it, and I just sat there and didn't do anything. So this is what I got on. Ended up carrying this purse today. Oh my gosh, I don't know why this purse have so many coins in it. I don't know, so weird, but.
That's so.
That was so bad.
Hey guys, we're back in the room. It is, what's today? Friday night. Yeah, we had a good time.
And at 3 o'clock in the morning.
It's not 3 o'clock. It's not 3 o'clock. What time is it for real? 12. It's 12:30. We just got back to the room. And we was chilling. We was outside a little bit. But we're back. And I just wanted to check in with y'all and say that we had a good night. Have some more fun the rest of the trip, the rest of the vlog. So make sure you're tuned in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your bestie. And let them know that I'm out here looking for other friends. Come be my friend. Come be my ninja gang. Come here, be a part of the ninja gang. We had the time though, for real. It was fun. It was a good night. Babe, you got a wedgie? Why he grabbed his butt? He said, "This is the drink that I was drinking before I left." For real?
What the fuck kind of bullshit TV?
That's crazy. And that was your main point. You really wanted to. My little curly pieces been falling out, so I'm finna put it back in. But I'll probably do it in the morning. But I have 2 that came out. But just to let y'all see, let's do this one for instance. Put the crochet needle in the braid and take the hair and whip it in. Wait, it's on or off? Pull it through. Take one side, pull that through, twist it a little bit so it doesn't come out. They've been coming out, and boom, that's all you got. That's all you do to get the little thing. They fall out. It's just happens. That's just how it is. But the wedding is gonna be so good tomorrow. I can't wait. But before the wedding is in the evening tomorrow. So I think when we get up, we're gonna go to the pool. Babe, we should go to the adult pool and just order from there. Order food from the adult pool in the morning and just eat there and then go back to the room, take a shower, change, and then go to the wedding. He's in the wedding. I'm not. But I got a dress to match him because he my partner. I got that cash. I'm gonna send Ryan this picture. I still got the ones for you, babes.